Hey y'all, Mo here with Tech Up Your Life, and today I'm pretty excited because we're going to be taking a look at installing PS Remote Play on Android. And what this lets you do is it lets you play your PlayStation 4 and 5 games on your Android tablet or phone. And it's a pretty cool way to enjoy video games when you're roaming around your house or even when you're out and about. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head into the PlayStation settings menu, and you're going to want to go under System, and then you're going to want to go find Remote Play, and we're going to want to toggle Remote Play on. All right, so now with PS Remote Play enabled, there are a few settings you might want to toggle on so that you can turn your PS5 on even when it's in rest mode. So head over to System and then go over to Power Saving and then select Features Available in Rest Mode. And then what you're going to want to do is toggle on Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. And that will allow you to turn your PS5 on and start playing games on your Android device, even if your PlayStation 5 console is in rest mode. Now that we've configured PS Remote Play on our PlayStation 5 console, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and download the Android app. So in the Google Play Store, search for PS Remote Play, find the app, and go ahead and download it. And now wait for the app to install. And then once it's installed, go ahead and fire up the app. And now what you'll need to do is log into your PlayStation Network account. And this will just launch a login screen in your browser. So go ahead and enter your account name and password. So once you've logged into the PS Remote Play app on Android, go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. And now what we need to do is connect our DualSense 5 controller. So go ahead and simultaneously press the share button as well as the PlayStation button and wait for the light to start flashing, indicating that it's in pairing mode. And so once you've put your DualSense 5 controller in pairing mode and it's flashing for Bluetooth, hop into the Bluetooth settings on your Android device and go ahead and pair and connect your DualSense 5 controller. So we've gone ahead and logged into the app and connected our DualSense 5 controller. So just select if you're using a PlayStation 4 or 5, and you'll be prompted to turn Remote Play on your PlayStation 4 or 5 console if you haven't done so, but we already have, so just go ahead and hit OK and wait for the connection to establish. It might take a couple minutes, so just be patient. But then once you are connected, you'll be able to immediately start controlling your PlayStation console on your Android device. So here you can see the PlayStation home screen, and there's a touchscreen layout on your phone of controls. But as you can see, we are using our DualSense 5 to control our PlayStation console straight from an Android phone. And for some games that you have on a disc, you will need to have the disc in the console to play, but for digital downloads, you can just go ahead and fire those up immediately. So yeah, while it's a lot of fun to play your PS4 and 5 games on a big screen like a TV or a projector, it's pretty convenient being able to play on the go, whether you're wandering around your house or you're out and about at, say, a bar or riding the subway or bus to work. So there you have it. This is how to install PS Remote Play and begin playing your PlayStation 4 and 5 games on an Android device. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications when we post new videos. And be sure to head over to techuplife.com and check out more of our editorial content like guides and reviews so that you can give your life a tech up.